half 890 v squared, right? So the kinetic, oh, we know this velocity, don't we? It's 6.2. Yeah? So the kinetic energy, some of it goes to work against friction. The rest is left as kinetic energy it's got. See if you can get the answer with your calculator. Am I right? Did anybody else get the answer I got? Or we both made the same mistake, right? Not as likely, but still possible. I took a class in college once where the professor and his assistant made the same algebraic mistake on a test. And so they had the wrong answer in their key. And 60% of the students that took the class made the same mistake, and their answer was marked correct. I did not make the mistake because by then I had taught high school physics for 3 years and was the king of algebra. And I did not make the mistake, and I got my answer marked wrong. And I went in and you know, after like honestly got a half hour sitting down with the assistant, convinced him that they both made a mistake. And there were other people that had done the same thing I had done, and they actually wanted the professor to go back and take points off of the people's tests that had falsely been marked correct and give them the points. Right? Not only give us back our points, but like hurt those other people. Really? Competition. Is that sportsmanlike? I don't know. Does it have? It strangely has something to do with the assembly, but not really. Are we good? Are we able to calculate? These are harder, right? It's like a lot of terms and stuff like that. No. Oh no. It was P. Oh, this one. No, I didn't try. I did it like. Did you do it in one swell hoop?
I don't know how I get that number, and then instead of 5, okay, you got that right.
So this side here, by the way, I just took this side squared, subtracted this, right? So this is this minus this. You guys ready to try a whiteboard? So our first whiteboard, we're going to do 2 and then you can have a brain vacation. The first one is, there's a cart on the top of a hill and it starts from rest. And somebody asked, some smart aleck kid asked years ago, they said, well, how does it start moving? Well, I'll tell you this, okay? The right side of that level thing is actually an atomic diameter less height than the left side. Okay, so it actually, since it's frictionless, would start to move. Okay, so what do we have at the top of the hill? Potential, and where does it all go? It's all just kinetic. Potential turns to kinetic. This is the simplest kind of conservation of energy problem. See if you can set it up. See if you can solve for the velocity at the bottom. Do not dream of putting your stuff away. We're going to do 2 whiteboard problems, and then we'll be done. The sooner we do them, the sooner we can listen to Cripple Creek by Ryan Thompson. Or watch Dog Eating with Knife and Fork. Why, that would be fun. That's one of my favorite videos. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like Dog Eating with Knife and Fork, but I watch Cripple Creek instead. I'm trying to be Kevin from The Office. No, because you're not going to, it doesn't have a Yeah, it's mgh
and then
on one side
half equals.
is equal to 1 FMV squared on the other side. That is correct. You found your pen.
I did.
Where was it? In your backpack. It was hidden in your backpack.
It was. Can we use kilograms?
Yes. Yes. It is.
I know. I sat there for a minute.
Yeah. Hayden. Do this problem.
Wait, do you use the same mass?
Yes, it is the same mass. You can also, by the way, cancel mass from both sides. Can't you? Yeah.
Yeah, you throw someone out of the car when you're halfway down the hill.
That dog will hunt.
What is the speed at the bottom?
Dog will hunt. Because that dog is hunting. That dog got the right answer.
You lose.
Could we calculate it if we
Yeah.
threw something out of the car or something? Or we just changed?
Yeah, you got it.
6.5.
Yes. 0.5. I don't get that number. We're doing this. Solve for V. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yep. Yep. You even had time to make bubble letters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. That's super
Oh my god. I just have red.
Okay. There you go. Okay. The final one, and you can have a brain vacation when you're done with this one, is the same one. I believe it's the same hill. Okay. Only now, we're not motionless at the top. We have kinetic and potential at the top. And at the bottom, only
So you have to do
kinetic, right?
some math or something.
This is the other kind, and you can imagine what the skill set on this looks like, right? We've got one thing turning to one thing, two things to one, or one to two. Then we've got two to two. That's kind of exciting, right?
Do you add it or do you multiply it? So it'd be
You're going to add the
plus
energies,
1/2
yeah.
MV and then E
Yeah. So this one looks like 1 FMV squared plus MGH equals 1 FMV squared.
It doesn't matter. You can do MGH or
Doesn't matter the order, yeah, on which side. No laughing. Do this problem. There you go. A dog will hunt.
Would we just like
Once you get this answer, you can put your stuff away and have a brain vacation.
can you cancel out the V squares?
No, because they're different V's.
Because the first V on the left is kind of like you.
Yeah, it's like you. There you go. Not you like you, Hayden Richardson. That's right.
It's basically you. It's just V. Because it's what you start with.
Yeah, you got it. That dog will hunt. Stop the camera for this.